I've worked as a nuclear power electrician and spent 17 years in HVAC, and one thing I've learned is that a basic model from one brand can be another brand's junk. You have to look at how these units are actually built to survive in the field. Today, we are looking at two entry-level units, the Heil Performance N5A5S and the Lennox Merit ML14KC1. Both are single-stage, ducted split air conditioners built with completely different philosophies. Let's start with build and protection, because that is your first line of defense against a big repair bill. The Heil N5A5S uses a wire guard to protect the condenser coil. As someone who has seen hail and stray weed whackers, a wire guard makes me nervous because it leaves the guts exposed. On the flip side, the Lennox Merit ML14KC1 comes with louvered panels, a solid steel wall protecting the coil. If you have kids playing ball or live where weather gets nasty, the Lennox cabinet is a much better insurance policy. Both units sit in the 14.3 to 15 SEER2 range and both use single-stage compressors. Single-stage means they are either fully on or fully off, which creates a high inrush current at startup. In terms of noise, they are fairly evenly matched around 73 to 75 decibels, which is noticeable but not deafening. For the Heil condenser, the retail price ranges from $1,500 to $2,800 depending on tonnage. With labor, indoor coil, and overhead, an average installed price for the Heil is between $3,500 and $6,500. The Lennox condenser retail price sits between $1,800 and $3,500, with full installation averaging $5,000 to $9,000. You pay a bit of a Lennox tax, but you get a sturdier cabinet for the extra cash. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts warranty if you register the unit. In this basic tier, Heil usually offers a straight parts swap, and Lennox provides similar 10-year protection while labor costs fall to you after the first year. Here is the verdict. I am declaring the Lennox Merit ML14KC1 the winner. It costs a bit more, but build quality matters more than almost anything in the basic category. I would pay a few $100s more up front to avoid coils being flattened by a rogue lawnmower. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com to compare brands side by side. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one.